gonna get myself ready. I be forget sometimes. Yeah. So we're working out. We're supposed to do a crumble cookie video. I'm just trying to. This I gotta do to get ready for a video. I gotta move these totes, move everything. So this is just give me one. Count to 10. Then we're gonna do crumble cookie again. Hey, count crumbs on the floor. So, of course, this is crumble cookie. This is a little history right here on how crumble cookie came about. And these are the delicious cookies. Yay. Hey, I don't want to brag. Back to my channel, Key Babies and Key Poppies. I'm here with my little brother, Chris.
What up?
And I want y'all to look at these lips and my hair. You know, I gotta look at my shirt. I got it from Shein. Y'all see what it say? Karma is like a rubber band. You can only stretch it so far before it comes back and smack you in your face. 2025, here it comes. Y'all better get ready. But we have seven right here. 7 cookies today. This is. That light is bright. Eat this, and then we have. Yeah, hold it like a baby. Well, the cake mixed up. It's called caramel toffee, something like that. Cake. You see how they gave it to us. Now, why would they put that up there like that in a box? They should have put that in a separate. I don't. You know what? We're gonna get to the video. And I'm gonna try to name off each cookie that we try. In case you want to go out and get it this week. So if you watch the video next week, they're not going to have the same cookies in there, okay? But thanks for the view and thanks for putting a comment down below if you're watching it next week. I'm just saying. We got our equipment. Let me stop being silly. And I got some water. Now, one thing about crumble is if you don't drink a lot of water throughout the day, all you gotta do is eat one of the cookies and you're gonna drink some water. Because it's gonna make you thirsty. Alright.
What one you gonna try first?
I know the cinnamon roll is gonna be fire. So we can try the cookies and cream milkshake. That's what it's called. So this is the cookies and cream milkshake. This is the cookie with a little Oreo on top. On the edge of the couch. Because I keep getting up. That's what I do. Why you let that cookie tough? Is it tough? Is it hard?
It ain't soft.
Just like a cookies and cream. That's what it tastes like. It stood on its name. It stand on business. That's what it tastes like.
And they could have just left the icing on it.
We got news on fire.
I knew the cookie is good, but just a plain cookie. But
I don't know. I give it a 7.
I give it a. I'm gonna give it a 6.
A 6. I tell you, I'm thirsty already. I just took a little piece of that. That's the cookies, right? I don't know. Probably one with 2. I'm gonna try. I want to do the brownie for last. No, I want to do the cinnamon. You do the strawberry one. It's called strawberry crinkle. Hold it up so they can see it. They got powdered sugar on there. This is one that my boss wanted to try at work, so hopefully he wants to go get it. and tried it because he did not bring me back a brownie when I asked him to get one. And yes, I am throwing shade. Look, I ain't saying your name, it's over to be. Yep, this one's going with you too. This, I don't know. It tastes like Captain. What's the cookies? The cereal Captain Crunch. That's what it tastes like, Captain Crunch. This is also
yeah, you do.
Yeah,
actually do.
Yeah, it's gonna
be berries.
Yep, it's gonna be a 4.
I'm gonna give it a 5.
That's exactly what that tastes like. He wanted to try that one so bad. It ain't that sweet, so that's what it tastes like. The berries, the Captain Crunch berries.
So let's just try the lemon bar to get it out the way.
Okay. Because it got icing on it, right? And you... Oh, man. A glob of icing. Lemon bar. I do they put so much, like, icing on it. And the cookie, it do look done. Let me say the cookies don't look done. With the icing off of it, it's like it's got a tart. It's the sour on top. It's sour.
It's lemon.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give this a 3.
That mean that cookie staying with me. We normally divide the cookies, and I wouldn't really go to Chris all the time, but I'm gonna keep a couple this time. Yeah, it's a I give it a 6. It's real tart. This is what is it called? The holiday birthday cake. There you go. There you go. We got them standing up. They got little, what them sprinkles on there?
Yeah.
It got that tart. I got to drink some more water. I'm telling you, why you open your water up yet? That cookie hard?
Yeah, that don't be.
Oh my God, I thought that was a
soft on that, like in the middle.
I thought that was a sugar cookie. It's supposed to be birthday cake, not a hard cake. Oh my God. I give that a 5. I don't know.
It tastes like a sugar cookie. You know, I mean.
Yeah, like a sugar with. I'm trying to think. It's like cream cheese. They gotta be cream cheese on top of there. That's what it tastes like. A sugar cookie with cream cheese, and you can taste the sprinkles. Yeah, like between your teeth and stuff. Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a 2.
A 2? They get lower and lower. 2?
Yeah.
What?
A 2.
Oh my God. Let's go on to the next. We gotta do what is called the cinnamon. It gotta be cinnamon roll, right? Yeah, honey bun. My bad. Yeah. It's the honey bun. I'm calling it the cinnamon roll. It's the honey bun.
There you go.
Oh yeah. There you go. Now that's in with me. That's gonna be good. Look at that cake. Woo. It probably was real cute when they did it. Okay, it's soft because the way he's over here cutting them, they seem like they're hard. For me,
I'm gonna give it an 8.
Yeah, that's good. That's why I stand right here. He's not taking that one. That look is good. It's like a honey bun. Tastes just like one. And it ain't too sweet. To me, it ain't. Maybe because we had all these other cookies. Maybe that's what it is.
So which one I'm gonna try?
You try your cake. The cake is a caramel toffee butter cake.
Let me show you. Oh, it was that like that.
Yeah, it looked like that, but it looked like this now.
Dang.
This is what it's supposed to look like, y'all. I don't know. I'm going to show y'all a picture. I'm going to give y'all... Okay, you can kind of see it. See it? I got a little crumb on my face. You know, I got some big old lips. That's how it's supposed to look, and this is how they gave it to it, like the Oompa Loompa.
Nah,
and I'm just playing. The top touched it. That's what it was.
Box.
Yeah. That's why I'm like, I don't know why they didn't put it this in here. Like, we put it separate. That's why I don't get it.
What?
You shocked that it looked like this?
I'm shocked that it's not soft.
It's not soft. That cake hard? Oh, nice. It seems like you cutting on cookies. I don't know.
It got some type of wood.
Oh, the sugar crystals. Okay.
Yeah, I guess, yeah, that's what it is.
It's like a wet cake. I taste wet. You like it? I should have known. This.
No, I like it.
I don't know. Let me take another bite.
All the other stuff, other than the Oreo milkshake. Oreo.
No, wrong again. No.
It tastes better than that.
I can't get jiggy with that.
Nah, I'm gonna give that like it's gonna be a 4.
That's a 2. The uno dos. I don't know what it's something about it. I don't like it. I don't know what it is. Something about that I don't like.
Maybe because it's
because it's wet. I'm telling you, I don't like wet. when you know how they
not wet.
Well, it's been sitting there with the caramel that came inside the cake dough. You know, I don't like it. Kind of like tiramisu. You know how I don't like it. And this is the Jimmy Fallon Holiday Candy Cane Brownie. Hopefully it's fire. Because they last brownie they had, what's good? I think I got 2. That hard too? Because you keep cutting everything like it's bricks over there. I don't know.
Well, you taste it, you let me know.
Oh my God, that's how you cutting it.
You got too much stuff on there.
Yeah, it is real thick.
This is candy cane.
Yeah, it's thick, y'all. Real thick. I'm going to pop a picture up there. Now, the brownie part is fire. I'm going to tell you that. I don't know about the top of it, but the brownie part is good. That brownie part is in.
Yeah, the brownie one.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta eat the whole thing. You can't just take out.
Oh my God! I want to eat my whole thing. Oh, it's good. It's not. The honey bun is better, but I didn't have to eat the top part of it. It would have been okay. The brownie by itself was a 10. The topping made it a 7. Oh, it's a candy. Hold on, it's an 8.
10.
Okay, look at that. Okay, the brownie one.
Yeah.
So y'all might as well go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like my content, and say hey down below. This is brother and sister, look, a duo, okay? So
Part 2.
Part 2. Next week, I don't know what they have in Crumble Cookie. We might go somewhere else and try.
Yeah, we ain't doing no more cookies.
We might just go to what is that? With the cakes. Bun cakes. We might try bun cakes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Deuces.